নমস্কার, এসপিএন চ্যানেলে আপনাদের স্বাগত। আমার কাছে আছে সঙ্গে রয়েছেন ইস্ট বেঙ্গলের আন্ডার-18 নতুন কোচ মিস্টার পিল্লাই, ঐশ্বর্যন পিল্লাই। অ্যাকচুয়ালি তুমি উড়িষ্যায় কোচিং করিয়েছেন, তারপরে হায়দ্রাবাদে খেলছেন, হায়দ্রাবাদ থেকে এসেছেন। দিস ইজ ইউর ফার্স্ট ডার্বি ইন ইউর ক্যারিয়ার কোচিং লাইফ?
This is my second derby. So first derby it was away. We drew 1-1, and this was our second derby which we have won.
What is your reaction? क्या चलता है?
Yeah, it is always proud, to represent the batch, to represent this East Bengal batch, and it's always a privilege to represent this club, and it was a proud feeling when we won the derby. Yeah, and the atmosphere was good. The fans backed us throughout the game, so it was a great feeling.
How rated this match about the position, and what are the area to improve for East Bengal boys?
Yeah, these boys are young. Still we have a lot of things to improve. We were doing good with ball, but sometimes in midfield we can be more aggressive. We can be more aggressive to win the second balls. So we need to improve in terms of physicality to win the second balls and do better in counter attacks. And we have also we could have converted more goals. So next time in final third we can do better. We can score more goals.
What is about your impression about the Pritam and Aiya, two scorer?
Yeah, so you see, like this under-18 age category, it is of 2008 and 2009. But this boy Yaya, he is 2010. He is the youngest player of our squad. And
He's from which state?
he's from Manipur. He's from Manipur, yeah. And it was his first match. He started this match for the first time, and he has proved really well. So credit to all the boys who have put all efforts in the field. It was not only two players, but the whole team who has put efforts to win this game.
Scenario has been changed. We saw in the ISL repeatedly Mohun Bagan beat East Bengal, but this time is something different happened. East Bengal beat Mohun Bagan in their home ground.
Yeah.
Do you think it is a great achievement for the club?
Yeah, it is a great achievement, and always history changes. So let's say maybe it's the start. We can change the history again, and we can bring East Bengal where they belong. Always top. So yeah, for that we need to work hard. We need to stick together as a team, and keep going, and keep East Bengal on top. Yeah.
What is about your football career? Just brief.
Yeah, so actually, I started my playing career with my university team. I played for Bharampur University. I represented in university level for 2 times. After that, I was more into coaching. I liked coaching. I started my coaching at the age of 19. So yeah, in the young age, I loved coaching. So that is why I'm still young, but I'm experienced also. Last 7 years I've been coaching. I've been coaching, and I'm trying to do my best to become a better coach in future.